Well, good morning, it's John Neal here. It is Tuesday the 12th of May 2026 and I'm doing two things. I'm going for a bike ride and I'm going to pick up litter here. A very fine organisation. I'll tell you more in a bit. So I've made it down to Sandon Park, sometimes known as Sandon Fields, and it's a place of Cleaver Gardens. Look. And the deal is this. We often walk down here because there's a nice place to walk. Oh, some starlings, that's nice. And yeah, very pleasant. And it's fairly well maintained. And there's been a machine along here to cut the undergrowth back. I won't say cut the grass, cut the undergrowth back. And it's done a considerable job. But there's something more needs doing. Before I say much more, let me just show you. So all this has been cut back and it's exposed all the litter. Look, there's loads of it, which is really disappointing. So I'm going to pick up the litter. That's what I'm doing this morning. And I'll take you on the trip. So it's a bit of a bike ride and a litter pick at the same time. And I'm going to start from this end and go that way. So I've got 2 bags to fill, and I think I'm going to fill them quite quickly. So let's see how we go. Just a couple of things to say before I get going. First of all, this field, this park, Sandon Park, is absolutely wonderful. It's very well looked after by, I think, a group of volunteers. Somebody will tell me, I know. But it says on the entrance there, it's Ambleside, which is over near where I live. But I've been here once when they had a soccer tournament for youngsters. Honestly, there were about 1,000 people here. All the pitches laid out. It was a wonderful, wonderful community activity. And the pitches are so well looked after. I mean, look at this. If I was playing soccer on a pitch, that would be one of the best. One of the best. There are lots of other pitches, but they've been taken down. It is May now. They've left this one up, so I presume there is still a game to play, maybe a cup final of some sort. You never know. But yeah, it's a wonderful place, and it's a great place to come. I come and practice flying my drone here, and it's a lovely place to walk because the river is just over there. The train's going by too, because the main line of the railway is just over there. Yeah, it stayed undeveloped in terms of housing because it's a floodplain. I've been here before. You may remember the videos I've done. This football pitch completely flooded, you know, right underwater. But it seems to recover each time. So it's a great place to come, great amenity, and we don't want litter knocking it around. So let's get that sorted. Well, there we have it, job done. This is the bag. That's all it was really. But it has such an awful impact on the environment just to get that amount of litter spread across there, which we came across just the other day, was very disappointing. Unfortunately, it didn't take too much of an effort. So, you know, thank me all you like, thank you. I appreciate it, you're welcome. However, it wasn't too much of an effort, and it is so good and so nice to see it all cleaned up. A couple of cyclists came by and were really appreciative, so thanks to them as well. I don't think I caught them on camera though. Right, I should take this and leave it right over there, so any litter bin emptiers that come by might be able to see it. I think I'll ring the council up and let them know I've done it. Do you think they were going to send somebody along to actually pick up that litter in the next few days? I don't think so. Still, anyway, job done, all sorted. Got a nice big field to ride across and have a little play with the drone as I go. This is the Neo 2. My other one, Mini 3, still at the menders. Hope to get it back very soon. So I'll say goodbye here now. Thanks a lot for watching, and you will see me in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.